Hi, I'm Matt Josephson, hospitality leader for the Deloitte US firms. And today I'm joined by my colleague, Jeff Casullo, also a leader in our hospitality practice. Jeff, great to be with you today.
Thanks for having me.
I'm excited to talk to you about the future of hospitality. Let's start with value and margin, a big topic and important for a lot of our companies out there today. We're seeing a lot of pressure focused on how do you increase the margin that's out there, but also recognizing that you're balancing a world where you've got increased consumer and guest expectations. And one of the areas that we're really thinking about and focusing on is operations. So whether that's how you consider staffing, how you consider maintenance, how you focus on pricing, deploying your inventory, all of those are key decisions that are going to affect how you can really move from being more of a reactive enterprise to a predictive enterprise. Jeff, I'm curious, what are some of the opportunities that you're seeing companies exploring in this space?
Yeah, I think what's really interesting about this space is that the challenges themselves are not new. These operational challenges have existed for as long as these industries have. And what's really new is the ability to address them in a new, different way. So companies are still seeing equipment issues. They're still seeing weather that's driving challenges in terms of their operation. They're still seeing staffing shortages and things of that nature, service spikes. But what they have is an opportunity to use AI and sort of predictive algorithms to be able to address them in a new and different way. And that's what's really exciting and a great area to drive margin for these businesses.
In terms of where we're seeing some tangible value and where companies are actually focusing and trying out some new things, can you give a few examples, Jeff, that are resonating with you?
I think sort of core operational maintenance is one of the big ones. Many of these industries are equipment heavy, and so being able to predictively manage that equipment and service it when it's expected to be serviced versus in an emergency situation or having downtime is a important place to drive value. I think the other is around service spikes and customer service. So how do you anticipate outside events that are going to impact the industry and manage your staffing and how you respond to customers accordingly? And then the third is really in the heart of the operation. So how do you think about things like procurement? How do you route and staff people? How do you manage food waste? All of these types of opportunities, which present really interesting use cases to start to apply some of this technology and an advanced kind of predictive algorithm too. I think what's really fascinating when you think about that is the how, right? And so many companies are starting to think about how do you bring together the sort of operational intelligent core to be able to deliver on these use cases. Different industries have different structures, and so how you go about doing that work around the data, if you're heavily franchised versus sort of wholly owned, can make a big difference, and figuring out how that all works and stitches together is important. But it's an exciting time to think about really the value delivery that's available in this space.
I couldn't agree with you more about it's all about the data, especially if you really want to focus on having the foresight to be able to reduce surprises moving forward.